The Bentley Continental GTC is a luxury convertible grand tourer that combines performance, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. As the open-top counterpart to the Continental GT Coupe, the GTC offers an exhilarating driving experience with the added pleasure of open-air motoring, engine, and performance. The latest Continental GTC is equipped with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, paired with a powerful electric motor, delivering a combined output of 771 horsepower and 738 pounds-ft of torque. This hybrid powertrain enables the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and reach a top speed of 208 miles per hour. Additionally, the hybrid system offers an electric-only range of up to 30 miles, enhancing both performance and efficiency. Dimensions and capacity. Length 4,850 millimeters. Pack wheels. Width 2,187 millimeters. Height 1,405 millimeters. Pack wheels. Wheelbase 2,851 millimeters. Curb weight 2,320 kilogram. Apparatus aviation. Seating capacity 4 persons. Boot space 358 liters. Fuel efficiency. The hybrid system contributes to an overall fuel economy of 46 mpg. When utilizing both fuel and electric power, the fuel tank capacity is 90 liters, and the vehicle offers a mileage of approximately 5 to 7 kilometers per L, depending on driving conditions, interior, and features. The Continental GTC's cabin exemplifies Bentley's commitment to luxury and craftsmanship. High-quality materials, including premium leather and wood veneers, adorn the interior. The infotainment system features a rotating central screen, allowing drivers to switch between a touchscreen display, analog dials, or a clean, uninterrupted dashboard. Additional amenities include heated and ventilated seats with massage functions, a premium audio system, and advanced driver assistance technologies. Price in Pakistan. In Pakistan, the Bentley Continental GTC is available with prices starting around PKR $391 million. The vehicle is offered in various colors, including ice white, extreme silver, Moroccan blue, black crystal, and orange flame. Accessories. Bentley offers a range of accessories tailored for the Continental GTC, such as a bespoke set of luggage designed to fit perfectly in the boot. These high-quality leather bags are available in colors like black, dark sapphire, and gravity gray. Additionally, a custom car cover is available to protect the vehicle's exterior finish when stored indoors. Conclusion. The Bentley Continental GTC seamlessly blends high performance capabilities with opulent luxury, making it a standout choice for those seeking a convertible grand tourer. Its combination of powerful hybrid technology, exquisite craftsmanship, and advanced features ensures an unparalleled driving experience.